Good morning, guys. I'm playing around with basic shapes again. Okay, you're going to come up. It's not going to move with one hand. Oh, there we go. Right. That's printed on the fast setting. Still about 6 hours. So, another boat. And printed in black, so it's not so easy to see. Oh, that's a bit better. I suspect when we power it, it will dive into the water. But we'll find out. That's just a parabola. Is that what they call it? I think it's a parabola. In fact, it's several parabolas set inside each other and sliced around. Yeah, we'll see. Another simple basic boat shape.
Hi guys. I printed off quite a few of these hulls, 3D printed them, just as an experiment, see what I could do. On this one, I'd stuck that motor on the back, which is another little 3D experiment. There's just 3 gears in there to take the drive from there down to the bottom. And I've been playing with the printer again. Did this boat. It's probably not even going to float properly, but it's a very simple shape. It's a parabola. Those fins are also parabolas, and hollowed out there. I've got a section there closed off, so it's got an air bag in there to stop it sinking. It stops it sinking like that, but I don't know whether it'll stop it sinking when it's got the weight of all the bits and pieces in there. So I was going to see whether I could put this on the back of this one, but instead of putting it straight on the back again, I've made up a little bracket for it. So the idea is this is going to go on here, like that. That's going to go on there. And that's going to go on there. I don't know if you can see all that, or whether it's a bit too dark. Oh, there we go. That's lightened it up a bit for a while. Yeah, so that's going to go on there. Servo sit, that little bracket I put on the back of it. And we'll see if that works. More to the point, we'll see if it sinks or not. I'll make sure I've got clearance for the motor to swing, not hit the steering. If I have it too high up, the propeller is not going to be in the water. What I really need to do is redesign this, make it a bit deeper. So instead of just being 3 gears, probably 4 gears, so it's longer. that's the plan. That's plan A today. Stick that on. Literally stick it on, super glue it on. And see if it works. And there we are, glued in place. Mount that so you've got as much flexibility as possible in the wires. I could see if this was a long-term problem, these wires will probably break off on the solder joints. But for the length of time I'm going to be doing this, I just think it'll be alright. Next question is, will it float when I put a battery in there? Right, we're using my wife's camera, which is a waterproof camera, so I can put it in the bath there. I don't think this is going to last very long because it is right on the water line when I put it in the water. And when I turn it left and right, it tips enough to actually start letting water in the back. So I haven't put much water in the bath, and we'll see whether we can actually get some action. Yeah, you can see what I mean. Oh, I have to try and adjust that so it doesn't sink immediately. Yeah, we're not doing very well here. It's the classic, we need a bigger boat. I don't have a lighter 2S battery. So that's what we need, something smaller and lighter. I do believe that's the waterproof ESC playing up. Well, in summary, that wasn't very successful. Not surprising, the boat is far too small. The mechanics, putting that on the bracket and swivelling it, that bit works. but we need a bigger boat. Simple as that. And I'm also disappointed that it looks like the apparently waterproof ESC wasn't waterproof. That appears to have died. So not happy about that. But yeah, there we go. Another exciting episode in my radio controlled boats. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.